It's a 2013 Mercedes-Benz SLK Class. This roadster was sculpted to slice through the wind and carve through the corners. Its heart races at the mere thought of the open road. Features include an LCD screen, Bluetooth wireless, and satellite radio. You'll also appreciate the safety of multiple airbags, stability and traction control, and integrated rollover protection.
The feel of the open road takes on a new meaning with the convertible top. Get comfortable with the touch of a button thanks to the memory seats. Keep your attention where it's needed and let the rain-sensing wipers maintain a clear view.
Put the top down and enjoy a fun cruise in this luxury roadster today.
At Mercedes-Benz of Coral Gables, our goal is to help you discover the true joy of driving. We're conveniently located just west of I-95 at 300 Almeria Avenue.